Alright, so today we are going to configure a smart device, and we have the list of tasks here on the left pane that we're going to be working with, and we have to create the following rooms in the smart device in the TestOut home applications. We have to create the lobby, main hall, and office one. So let's start up. Let's look for TestOut home. This is TestOut home. We open it up. What are we doing when we get there? We have to create lobby, main hall, and office one. So we click on these three dots on the top left corner and it says room settings, new room. Click on new room. What room are we creating? Room name is going to be lobby. So here we type in lobby. Lobby. Alright, so lobby, and we save. Alright, so let's create again. New room. What are we creating this time around? Main hall. Main hall. We click on save. Click on the three dots. New room. What are we creating? Office one. Office one. Click on save. Alright, so let's start up. Let's go to the next task here, and the next task says configure the devices in the lobby as follows. Install the lobby camera, and then install and configure smart lights and the rest. So let's go over to lobby. So we are now in lobby. Let us add. What are we adding? We are adding camera. So let's look for camera, lobby camera. So this is lobby camera, and then lobby camera. Lobby camera has a code. So we copy the code. We copy the code for so lobby camera has lobby camera has a code which is copied. So when we select lobby camera, we impute the code here. Ctrl V and add device. So lobby camera is turned on. What else are we adding for lobby? For lobby, install and configure smart light switch. Alright, so we're configuring and installing smart light switch. So let's copy the smart light switch code. Just copy it. Put in our code here, and smart light switch is here. Alright, so we go ahead and add. What else are we doing for lobby? Install and configure smart light switch, which is done. Turn on the lights. Alright, so let's turn on the light. It's on. This is off. This is on. You can see it from here. It says on. Install and configure a smart lock so you can lock the front door without leaving your office. So let's install smart lock. So where is the code for smart lock? Here is it. So we copy the parent code. It's copied. Let's go ahead and install smart lock. Place the code here. and then select what we want. Smart lock. Here's a smart lock. Prepare. What do we do after inserting smart lock? We have to lock the office. So let's lock the office. And what else do we do? Install a smart assistant. Alright, so let's see. Smart assistant, let's copy the code and let's add it. Place your code in here. Smart assistant, here is it here. Click on it and you add. It has been added. Now what? After adding, okay. Install, configure smart lock. So you can lock the door. We've locked the door. Install smart assistant. We've done that. Then configure the device in the main hall as follows. So let's go over to the main hall. I guess we're done here. Light bulb is switched on. Smart locked is switched on. Smart assistant is installed. Let's go over to the main hall. What are we doing in the main hall? In the main hall. Alright, install and configure the thermostat. Set the temperature to 72 degrees. Alright, so thermostat. Where do we have our thermostat? Smart thermostat. Copy the code and add. What are we adding? Smart thermostat. Okay, we have to input our code here first, and it's now selected. We add. So what do we do to smart thermostat? We set it to 72 degrees. Alright, so smart motion thermostat. Smart thermostat 70. We have to set it to 72. So this is going to go to 72 degree. 72 degree. Click on done. Alright, so set the temperature to 72 degrees, which is done. Configure the devices in Office 1. So we'll go over to Office 1. We are now in Office 1. What do we do in Office 1? Install the Office camera. So Office camera. Let's copy the code for Office camera. It's copied. We go ahead and add Office camera here. Impute the code so that it will pair, and select this. Oh, there's an error there. There's an error here. Let's copy the Office camera code again. I guess there was an error there. Okay, so impute the code and we add device. Office camera is installed. What else are we doing? It says optional, select the smart camera, verify the camera is working. Alright, so I guess the camera is working. So this is camera and it is working. So done. Install and configure a smart outlet. So where is the smart outlet? Here is it. Copy the code and we install. So we add smart outlet, input the code first and select add. It is done. Okay, so is there any other thing we need to do that we haven't done? Nope. So everything appears to be fine. Camera here, is it working? Yep, it's working. So in the absence of any other thing, let's check our answers. Configure the smart device in Office 1. Install and configure a smart outlet in Office 1. Oh, I guess we missed something there. Let's go to Office 1. Office 1. Office 1. Solo. Oh, smart outlet. Oh, we didn't turn it on. We didn't turn it on. So we've turned it on now. I guess we're done and good to go. Alright, everything appears to be correct. This is another successful test lab. If this video was helpful, you might want to consider sharing so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.